this is my Kaffir Lime. It is probably about 7 or 8 years old total. I got it from the fruit tree sale in 2014, and I kept it in a pot for about a year or two because it is very cold sensitive. It does not like cold snaps, and so I wanted to be able to move it inside if I needed to. And then I thought, I'm going to bite the bullet, so I planted it, and I planted it pretty close to my house in order to give it some protection during really cold spells. And it has done quite well. So the beauty of the Kaffir Lime is that the leaves are edible. They go into all different kinds of soups and curries. And then when it fruits, it makes lovely limes with great juice and also wonderful zest. And here is a Kaffir Lime pickle that I made with Kaffir limes, star anise, cardamom, I think this is cinnamon, salt, and some lime juice in there as well.